Back to my channel, and before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I read article by Kevin Buckland. Tokyo returns. The US dollar is back from a near two-decade peak against a basket of major currencies on Thursday as investors awaited a speech by Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell the following day for first close on the path of monetary policy. Gains of Australia's dollar, a liquid proxy for trading China's economic outlook, outpaced developed market pairs as it tracked a stronger yuan. The South Korean won rose after the central bank raised its inflation forecast, pointing to further policy tightening ahead. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback against six counterparts, is at 0.119% to 108.42, but remained not far from its highest since September 2002. Thus, in mid-July, investors have been bracing for the Fed to double down on its commitment to crushing inflation at its annual gathering in Jackson Hole, Wyoming. Money markets have pared back expectations that the U.S. Central Bank could tilt to a slower pace of rate hikes following a course of hawkish Fed commentary in recent weeks and currently lay 58.5% odds on another supersized 75 basis point rate hike next month versus 41.5% probability of a half point increase. Expectation of a hawkish message from FOMC Chair Powell at Jackson Hole will likely keep upward pressure on the USD Commonwealth Bank of Australia. However, there is a risk that the speech is demand not hawkish enough and that we see some retrenchment in the USD. The dollar retraced 0.25% to 186.78 yen from this week's one-month hike of 137.705. The euro edged 0.80% higher to the single currency has been hurt by growing concern as the region faces an energy crisis, with investors on edge before Russia halts gas supplies through the main Nord Stream 1 pipeline for 3 days from Wednesday for unscheduled maintenance. Sterling gained 0.2% to 1,815 dollar after doubling the lowest since March 2020 on Tuesday. The Australian dollar rallied up from more than 1 month low of earlier in the week. That China's yuan rebounded from a 2-year low helped by firmer than expected official guidance, which traders took as a sign authorities are becoming increasingly uncomfortable with rapid losses in the currency. In terms of the sharp AUD bounce today, an obvious catalyst appears to be the bounce in CNH on the stronger than expected fixing, said Sean Kilo, a strategist at Westpac in Sydney. The positive equity mood in much of the region does help the Aussie in the background. New Zealand's Kiwi Large is antipodian pair with a 0.35% rise to hampered by data showing a decline in local retail sales early in the session. It was at a one-month low of on Monday. Against the Korean won, the dollar lost after the bank offered raised rates by a quarter point. Okay guys, that's all from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.